Hello, everyone, and welcome back to an insightful episode of Orange English. This is Sophia, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice. We are focusing on describing a project in English, a professional and practical topic for outlining objectives, processes, challenges, and results in clear, structured language. Describing projects is essential for work presentations, school assignments, or sharing ideas with others. This session is versatile and empowering. Practice while planning your own projects, during study breaks, on a commute, or in a focused environment. Shadowing is straightforward and skill-building. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase at the same time. Match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as you can. Do not worry about errors. The focus is on clear communication and confidence. Let us begin. My project is about improving efficiency. My project is about improving efficiency. The main goal is cost reduction. The main goal is cost reduction. It started 3 months ago. It started 3 months ago. Team members collaborate closely. Team members collaborate closely. First, we defined the objectives. First, we defined the objectives. Clear goals guide the process. Clear goals guide the process. Research followed next. Research followed next. Data collection was essential. Data collection was essential. The timeline spans 6 months. The timeline spans 6 months. Milestones mark progress. Milestones mark progress. Weekly meetings review status. Weekly meetings review status. Adjustments made as needed. Adjustments made as needed. My role is project manager. My role is project manager. I coordinate team efforts. I coordinate team efforts. Others handle specific tasks. Others handle specific tasks. Collaboration ensures success. Collaboration ensures success. Challenges arose during implementation. Challenges arose during implementation. Budget constraints limited options. Budget constraints limited options. Technical issues delayed phases. Technical issues delayed phases. Solutions found creatively. Solutions found creatively. Resources include software tools. Resources include software tools. Budget allocated carefully. Budget allocated carefully. Human resources vital too. Human resources vital too. Expertise drives innovation. Expertise drives innovation. The methodology is agile. The methodology is agile. Flexible iterations improve outcomes. Flexible iterations improve outcomes. Feedback loops incorporated. Feedback loops incorporated. Adaptation key to progress. Adaptation key to progress. Midway results show promise. Midway results show promise. Metrics indicate improvement. Metrics indicate improvement. Targets nearly achieved. Targets nearly achieved. Final push required. Final push required. Lessons learned are valuable. Lessons learned are valuable. Communication prevents misunderstandings. Communication prevents misunderstandings. Planning avoids surprises. Planning avoids surprises. Teamwork amplifies strengths. Teamwork amplifies strengths. The outcome exceeded expectations. The outcome exceeded expectations. Efficiency increased by 20%. Efficiency increased by 20%. Stakeholders satisfied fully. Stakeholders satisfied fully. Future projects informed. Future projects informed. Describing projects structures thoughts. Describing projects structures thoughts. Beginning, middle, end, flow. Beginning, middle, end, flow. Details add credibility. Details add credibility. Clarity engages listeners. Clarity engages listeners. Shadowing refines professional tone. Shadowing refines professional tone. Repetition builds structured delivery. Repetition builds structured delivery. Intonation emphasizes key points. Intonation emphasizes key points. Your command is strengthening. Your command is strengthening. Outstanding dedication today, everyone. This shadowing session on describing a project is now complete. You can now articulate your initiatives more effectively in English. Apply these phrases in professional or academic settings. Return soon for more topics on Orange English. This is Sophia. Thank you for your effort. Describe your projects clearly, achieve your goals, and continue advancing. Until next time.